So tonight we're going to answer the million-dollar question, which is how strong are those Neopixel blades? Let's go ahead and try it. Okay, now it's giving up, but I'm not even sure. I might just have to release the blade and go again. Yep, not broken. Sorry guys, not yet broken. So far, I haven't managed to break it. So yeah. I'm very sorry for this tree, but to be fair, there is definitely one much stronger than the other. Sun is down. Honestly, I can continue for 4 minutes on honestly like this, and I'm not dueling against someone. I'm really hitting it very hard against a tree. So yeah, just don't like hit the floor or something with the tip. It is the fragile part on any blade. It's pissing me off, but at the same time shows you that Neopixel blade are super strong. There it is. It's just that we do not warrant them for dueling use, because like I said, like one bad knock at the wrong place may rupture the wiring, the LEDs, or the strip itself. You never really know, but the blade itself is the same we use for base lit blades. So this doesn't break. It just doesn't. And if it doesn't break, the LED strip inside is safe. So you can go guys and have fun. They're all available at thesaberfactory.com. Enjoy. May the force be with you.